Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. If you're ready to make your towels the softest and fluffiest they've ever been, we're ready to show you how. Get ready to transform your laundry routine with these simple yet effective and inexpensive tips. But before we get into it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. Comment below if you love soft, fluffy towels. We love hearing from you. First things first, grab all of those scratchy, nasty-smelling towels that you want to fluff up, no matter what color. Gather them up and get ready for an amazing laundry renewal. Toss them into your washing machine, being sure not to overstuff the drum. This process takes more time and more water than a regular wash, but trust us, the results are more than worth it. And now, for the magic trick. This is where the transformation begins. Instead of your usual detergent, pour 1 cup of white vinegar into the detergent dispenser. This might sound unusual, but vinegar is a powerful cleaning agent. The vinegar will break down any detergent buildup in the fibers of the towels. It's this buildup that makes them feel stiff and scratchy. Set your wash to warm water for colored towels or hot water for whites, and let it run. The temperature helps activate the vinegar's cleaning properties. Once that's done, leave the towels in the machine. Don't take them out just yet. This time, add 1 cup of baking soda directly into the drum. This step is crucial for achieving that ultimate softness. Again, set it to warm for colors and hot for whites, and start the wash cycle. Why does this work? Let's break it down. Vinegar helps break down detergent buildup and soften the fibers. It's like giving your towels a deep clean. Baking soda acts as a natural fabric softener and deodorizer. It neutralizes odors and leaves your towels smelling fresh. If you would like to add an extra fresh scent to your towels, put a few drops of your favorite essential oil into the fabric softener dispenser. My favorite is lavender, but you can use anything you like. After the second wash, dry your towels on a low heat setting. Voila! The low heat helps maintain the softness. You now have super soft and fluffy towels. Enjoy the luxurious feel every time you use them. If you do this when you notice your towels beginning to lose their softness, you can say goodbye to scratchy towels forever. You can also keep them odor-free and in top condition with this easy routine. Not only is this good for towels, but you can use the same treatment for bedding too. It will keep your sheets and pillowcases soft and smelling great for a long time to come. Not only that, but keeps your washer smelling fresh too. Got any other cleaning hacks? We love learning new tips and tricks. Drop them in the comments. We can't wait to hear from you and try out your suggestions. And remember, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you're sure to get all the new episodes from the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next episode.